How to send a video from gallery as a snap on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to send a video from gallery as a snap on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open App Store and search for Snapchat and make sure your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version. Now go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are logged in. If not, then go ahead and log yourself in, and once logged in, you will be led to the camera. Swipe up and you will further be led to the Memories tab. In here, tap on Camera Roll and select the video that you want to send as snap from your gallery. Once you have opened the video, tap on the edit button and further make the necessary changes on the video, and finally tap on the send button, and this is how you can send a video from gallery as a snap on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.